Meaning of Erector Set.
Erector Set.
Erector Set.
Erector Set.
Erector Set. The Erector Set is a building toy consisting of metal beams with regularly spaced holes, which can be connected with nuts and bolts to create different structures. The toy was first introduced in 1913 and became very popular due to its versatility and ability to stimulate creativity and engineering skills in children. It has since become an iconic childhood plaything, inspiring generations of future engineers and inventors. Today, various versions of the Erector Set are still available, and it remains a classic educational toy beloved by many.